Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Today we are going to discuss the creative writing from Unit 5. In creative writing, today we will discuss the news report. News report is a major discourse. It comes for 10 marks. So children, watch the video carefully and follow all the steps while writing the news report. Before we start with today's session, let us have a look at the objective. The objective of today's session is the children will be able to identify the process of writing the news report. What is a news report, children? A news report is an academic piece of writing about facts. There is no scope of imagination. It is about a particular event or incident. Normally, it is presented in third-person point of view. Here is a layout of the news report. First comes the heading, headline, introduction, body of the news report, and the last conclusion. Headline. Headline should be very catchy. Usually it consists of 4 or 5 words. It tries to attract the interest of the reader by telling them what the story is about in short and interesting way. It provides essential information about the particular event. It is associated with a picture related to the event. It is followed by the introduction. Introduction contains a lead paragraph. It provides essential information. It will set the scene and summarize the main points of the article. It works with 4 W's. I mean to say who, what, when, and where. Who have been involved? What has happened? When has the event happened? Where has the event happened? The body of the report provides more detail about the event. In particular, it answers the question how and why. It provides detailed information about the facts, how has the event happened, why has the event happened, and it contains quotes of the eyewitnesses. Then comes the conclusion. Conclusion provides the gist of the event, comments on the event, what is expected to happen next, or what is going to happen in the future. Now let us have a look at the features of the news report. Chronological ordering of the ideas. The ideas should be well arranged. Now, see children, news report is a formal writing. So you have to keep in mind all these points while writing a news report. The sentences should be well formed. Keep an eye on the spellings, capitalization as well as punctuation. Now I hope you people have understood what the format of news report. Let us have a look at the one of the example of news report. In your textbook, please open page number 154. Here you have 2 versions of news report. Read the news report and try to analyze it. See the heading, children. AP Jawan killed in Srinagar attack. The heading is very short and simple, and it is very catchy. Now when you start with the introduction, first you have to write the name of the place, comma, date, comma, source. Source means the name of the newspaper, or you can write the date and the name of the newspaper at the end of the news report. M. Yadaya, a 20-year-old Jawan from Andhra Pradesh, was among the 8 soldiers killed when militants opened the fire in Jammu and Kashmir. Here the introduction has answered all the 4 questions: what, when, who, and where. The body of the news report has given all the details of the event. The conclusion answers the question what is going to happen next, or what is going to happen in the future. So I hope children you have understood to how to write a news report. We have seen the example from the textbook. Now there is a task for you. Write a news report on Bayaji's death. So first you are going to write the heading. It should be a very catchy heading, like a Dalit burnt in fire, or whatever you think is appropriate, you can write on your own. Then go for the introduction. Who was involved? Bayaji was involved. What happened? Fire accident that has caused Bayaji's death. Where the incident has happened? Bayaji's house in a village in Maharashtra. When did the incident happen? During the housewarming ceremony. You have to specify the date, children. And in news report, you have to specify the latest dates. Then the body of the news report. How did the incident happen? So you can explain about the whole incident, how that Petromax flare up, and here you can add the quotes of the eyewitnesses, or you can add the quotes of the family members of Bayaji. Coming to the conclusion, you have to write the relevant comments may be added, what is expected to happen next. Bayaji's sons have decided to fulfill their father's last wish. So we know that Bayaji's sons have decided to fulfill their father's last wish, and they have decided to build a true visible house. Sir, I hope children, here you have understood how to write a news report. Watch the video carefully. Now it's time for you to take down the homework. Write a news report on Bayaji's death. Thank you.